Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of precision with the SHARPAL 198H 3 stages professional electric knife sharpener, designed to give your knives a razor-sharp edge with ease. This sharpener features 3 functional slots that cater to both double-beveled straight edge and serrated knives, ensuring a professional sharpening experience right in your kitchen. With perfectly preset 20-degree grinding wheel angles, it's ideal for a wide range of knives, from kitchen to outdoor, maintaining blade durability and reducing the risk of chipping and dulling. Its one-handed operation makes it extremely beginner-friendly, allowing even novices to achieve expert results without any special skills. Operating at a noise level of less than 65 decibels, it ensures a quiet sharpening process that won't disturb your kitchen environment, while its built-in mechanism collects iron filings for easy cleanup. The advanced technology ensures your blades are protected from overheating, preserving their temper and longevity. With removable magnetic receptacles for collecting metal fillings, this sharpener not only delivers exceptional performance but also makes maintenance a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.